yesterday we have received two complaints from lady advocates. I will not disclose their names. This is in Margao JMFC court, and as per their complaint, while they were in the process of their court's attendance and proceedings, this accused have come and have touched them inappropriately on their back and on the buttocks. We have registered two complaints of these lady advocates, and we have effected the arrest of the accused in this case. He was also previously booked by the Margao police, and in that case also we had given him notice, and eventually the family also had given him the treatment with the doctors, and he was he was being closely followed by the family in these matters to deter him from doing this type of things.